Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to make a battery for the MSR. A lot of guys have been talking about the 240 milliamp Zippies that are available. They're rather thin, as you can see. They're rather light. Okay, I'll just show you here. For what they are, that's 5.57, 3.6. So you'll get basically double the capacity for only 2 grams more in weight. You're probably saying, oh, there's the lead and so forth. Well, here's the lead. Right. And that weighs 0.1 of a gram. Right. You'll need yourself some Kapton tape, which is basically high temperature tape. Right. It's almost transparent. Okay, so you just basically need your soldering iron and battery. So first thing you need to do is strip back the leads a little bit. Right. Basically twist the wires, clean the soldering iron, trim the wires back a little bit. Now you'll notice there's a positive and a negative symbol there, so the positive's on this side. So when you turn that over, just remember which side's positive. Okay. That basically takes care of that side of it. So now you've got your plug which is soldered on there. Just make sure that you've still got positive at positive and negative at negative. Next thing you do is you fold your tabs back over in this fashion. Push them in. So if there's any excess, just fold them all back down again, like that. So now we just get the Kapton tape. We'll have to cut some up. I'm now going to run a loop of the Kapton tape across that. Okay. So it takes care of that across there. Now, I mean, that would be fine, just like that. Shouldn't be any dramas at all with it. And that will fit straight into your normal charger and charge up. Now we need some way of securing that to the actual helicopter. So my suggestion would be that across here we put a bit of Velcro, and then on the underneath side of the battery we put a bit of Velcro, and that way we can adjust it back and forth where we want it, and of course the battery lead will just go up and join onto the connector. So what I've done now is I've basically cut a piece of Velcro that'll sit in there like so, and cut a piece of Velcro that will sit over the battery just there. Okay, now what I'm doing is I'm preparing some 5-minute epoxy. You only need a small amount. Since the battery is the easiest one to do, take care of doing that one first. Just put a light coating across the battery like so, on the back of the actual Velcro. Put a bit more so that it presses into the material basically. That's what you wanted to do, and of course all you do is just line that up, press it down so that it seeps in nicely, and you can basically put that aside now. That's done. In 5 minutes that'll set. That's finished. Okay, next thing you want to do is do exactly the same on the back of this. Press it into the material so that's got somewhere to bite nicely, and a bit across the actual frame. Get the Velcro, fit it on. As you can see, it's just seeping through into the actual grooves, or the material I should say, and that will do. In 5 minutes that'll be ready.